Watch out, Timmy Tough Nuts!
Nothing in my balls!
What a day. Yesterday we had Boy Wonder FPV here using the trainer mode or the buddy box method, and a couple of comments said, wouldn't it be better if EdgeTX could program something in so that when you press the button it actually spoke out a vocal command? So I've done that. So I don't know if you can hear it with the road noise, but we're going to give it a try today. Now, like I say, the most important thing in my opinion is actually communicating with the student. And today we have a very inexperienced student with us in Little Wonder FPV. Good morning, Little Wonder.
Hi.
How are you?
Yeah, good.
Good. Are you excited to do this?
Yeah.
Okay, have you got any worries, concerns?
No.
Good, because I don't really care. Okay, let's go.
Wait, do you have control?
I've got control.
Are you scared to
Okay, so I'm going to pass you control and I want you to just fly nice and calmly, okay?
Tell me when.
Now, now.
Go. Yeah. Am I flying?
Yep. Go forwards.
Careful, you're going to do your throttle. Oh my God. You can't disarm. You can't disarm. This is so hard, I can't see. It's coming to the road, it's coming to the road, it's coming to the road.
I'm flying it, I'm flying it.
Oh my God, I thought about
Right, you ready?
Yeah.
You've got control.
No, I had it!
Right, you've got control.
I'm flying smoothly, go to the ground a bit.
Oh my God.
I can't see. Oh, I'm going back. He's so scared.
Alright, so you're doing okay, you're doing okay, yeah. You've
Can I
got.
do a little flippy flip?
Yeah, just turn around so you're not facing the road and go up a little bit, go up a little bit.
Don't hit the road.
Right, do it now.
Roads, keep going forward. What's this, Daddy?
Why is the signal so bad?
Oh crap! I just did a really cool
That was really good, but you just got a bit close to the road, and even though it's only a 20-gram drone, I just wanted to be careful.
I can't. Want to do a quick check to see
What do you mean you can't see?
No, I just, the screen is glitching.
Yeah, mine is glitching. I'm wondering if the antenna's come off. I'm going to give you control now. Oh, hang on.
Oh, it's
That's really bad. Why is that so bad?
I can barely see.
Right.
Ow, my cheeks hurt.
You ready?
Want to land it so I can see why? No, I have it. No.
You ready?
Wait.
Are you ready? You have control now.
Watch this.
I'm watching.
Watch me go.
Uh-oh.
I know.
Ah!
And then we do a little.
Ah!
Can I say something?
Ah!
Little Wonder, can I just say something? We don't really trust you.
We do trust him, don't be rude. Right, but
My face hurts.
we're going to come back and we're going to check the antenna. The problem was the antenna was touching. I think we should be okay. I'm just going to check it.
Wait, I can't feel my stick. Oh wait, Jesus Christ, how do you fly that low to the ground?
I heard lost telemetry.
Yeah, it's still not perfect.
No, it's really like it. What the Wait, can I fly now?
Wait, you gotta wait.
It's still lagging. Well, still glitching, isn't it? I don't know why.
Well, can you let me fly now?
Wait.
Let me fly. Let me fly.
I'll tell you when.
Let me fly.
Oh my God.
How come you get to fly over the road?
Right, you ready? Because I'm experienced and you're a child, you've got control.
Go.
Watch this.
Little Wonder, go.
Maybe go a bit higher.
Go, Little Wonder.
Oh!
No, I got it. Don't worry. I got it.
Got it?
No, I'm cooking.
He is cooking.
Oh.
What are you cooking? Anything nice?
Chicken masala.
Chicken tikka masala.
Watch this.
I'm watching.
I couldn't see. I couldn't see.
The wind caught you a little bit there. I'll give you. Get ready?
Yeah.
Control now.
Oh, my camera. Oh crap! I'm going way too fast. What trick can I do? Oh, we do that thing where I like spin. I don't know how you do that.
I've got control.
Oh my God, that scared me. You went so far to the road.
What?
You went over the road.
What? No, he didn't.
Did I?
I had control. I had
hitting
control of it.
something.
What trick are you trying to do?
The thing where you like go up in the air, look up at the air, your drone does a little spinny spin.
Oh, trippy spin. No, mate.
No, not that. It was like a yaw spin or something.
Oh, an invert like this.
Yeah, that.
Can we just get you flying straight and level first? Is that alright?
No.
Ready? You've got control. There are people to the right, so I will be.
Now watch this.
I'm watching.
Oh. Yep, I did it.
I mean, you did something. Well done. I don't know what you did, but
Now watch this.
I'm watching. I'm watching. I'm watching. Oh, quickly! Oh.
It's just landing out low.
Yeah, don't worry about that. We don't listen to the battery.
What if I just shoot off? Can I just shoot?
You mean like that?
Yeah. Can I fly? Control me now. Let me have control.
Let's switch the battery. You can see the wind. The wind is crazy.
Please.
Go on then, but just be careful. Control.
Watch this. And then we go down.
Oh! Trust. Oh! Language, young man.
It ain't nothing.
Listen,
Wait,
Timmy
you have
Tough
control.
Knuckles.
You
I
have
have control. I have control.
I don't know what.
Okay, pick it up. Get ready.
Yeah, I'm gonna try. Let me try. Oh, not okay. You can let me fly now.
Right, I'm gonna let you try it again. Okay.
Crazy recovery.
Ready?
Yep.
You have control now.
Oh, there you are.
That's it. Nice and controlled. Tree. Oh, what a day. See you later.
Seagull. Give me a little kissy kiss.
I come for kisses. We need kisses. I want kisses. Kisses. Give me kisses. Hey, come here. Hey, come here. Come here, I want a kiss.
If this goes viral, I get the crap. I
want a kiss. I want a kiss. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. I need kisses. Why you don't give me kisses?
Let me chase him.
Uh-oh, battery. Coming in hot.
Oh,
Watch out, Timmy Tough Nuts.
Nothing in my balls.
What a day.
That was day 2 then of using the Buddy Box and trainer port on EdgeTX. Today we've added the switch so that you've got the audible response from the controller, but I think we'll all agree that actually telling the student that they've got control just makes it that little bit more easier and safer for them. Little Wonder FPV, how did you find that? How did you enjoy that? Fun, I guess.
Yeah.
Okay. Anything else you got to say?
No.
No, just fun, I guess.
Yeah.
Do you want to do it again?
Yeah.
What was the best part of doing it?
Where you go like that, and then that.
Flying up, yeah. Flying up in a controlled manner is actually really, really fun, isn't
You
it?
like
'Cause
go across the ground smoothly too.
yeah. And what about your crashes? What do you think of your crashes?
I only crashed like once.
Okay. Will we see you on the channel again
Yeah.
tomorrow?
Tomorrow. It's school tomorrow.
It is school tomorrow. The next time we're flying together, will we see you on the channel?
Yeah.
Brilliant. Everybody in the comments down below, let me know who you prefer, Boy Wonder FPV or Little Wonder FPV. Let the fight begin now.